So on today's know-how video, we're going to look at the three spindle roughing gouges. We've got the 1¼ inch, the 1 inch and the 3/4. Now there's been a bit of confusion on the sizing. The 1¼ inch, for instance, is on a 16-inch handle. And the way this is measured, if you took the overall width of the tool itself, it's just under 1.5 inches. But the way we measure it on the stock size is from the inside of the flute to the outside of the opposite end, which gives you the 1¼ inch. Again, with the 1 inch, which is the most popular one, this is on a 12-inch handle. The 1 inch is 1.25 inch total width. But again, when we measure from the inside of the stock to the outside of the opposite side, it's a 1 inch. The same rule applies with the 3/4, being 1 inch overall. From the inside to the opposite is 3/4. So we've got the 16-inch handle on the larger and the 12-inch handle on the 1 inch and 3/4. The 1 inch being the most popular at the moment, and this is also available in the spindle set. When you receive these, they are wax sleeved at the end, so this protects the cutting edge. And also you'll see the green marker saying Spindle Roughing Gouge. And then when you look on the website or on the know-how, it'll show you how to sharpen them to your preferred angle. So let's have a look at one of these spindle tools in operation. So when we're ready to use the spindle roughing gouge, we've mounted a square piece of timber onto the coronet herald. So we've got a 4-prong drive at this end, the revolving centre at this end. We've got the tool rest, which we've set just below centre, so when we offer the tool up, the tool's going to be on centre. And we just want it clear, so the closer we are to the timber without it catching, the safer we are. So we just check that the timber's going to revolve comfortably without catching. And then what you'll see here, we've got the tool rest, but we've overhung the tool rest so that when we're coming off the cut, it's not going to drop off the tool. There's plenty of support still available. When we're revolving, we're going to be running at about 1600 RPM, which I feel comfortable on this piece of wood, but you want to make sure that you feel comfortable. If you need to drop it down a little bit or even speed it up, then do so. We make sure the tailstock's tight and locked in as we revolve. Then when we come to cut the timber, we're always going to be on the tool rest. And the way the tool rest has been designed, we can get us finger under there and we can use this as a guide to make sure we're running across nice and parallel. We're tucked in at the side, so we're nice and secure, always on the tool rest, supporting the tool. We're going to rub on the bevel and then we're going to take the cut away. So we're on the tool rest, rubbing on the bevel. As we bring this backhand up, we're going to find the cut and take the shavings away. You can see there we've made very little progress. We've just started to take the corners off, and we carry on with that action until we've got a nice round cylinder. We might want to change the handle of the tool rest slightly or bring it up to make it more comfortable. And again, always on the timber, running across. So that's the roughing gouge. Any questions on that, please come back to us, or if there's any tools you want to see, please let us know and we'll do our best to show you.